that's come out. I never thought that I'd be making a video on this particular subject, but here we are. This paper is called EV5 or EVV, Universal Embeddings with Multimodal Large Language Models, and it's put out in partnership between Beihang University and Microsoft Corporation. The overall summation of this video or of this research paper is very straightforward. Essentially, what this research is showing is that training a multimodal language model, or a MLLM, you can do that utilizing just text. And if you train the model on just text, it can sufficiently train for both text and image outputs. And by doing this, and by utilizing the method that they create within this particular research paper, which they dive into in further research, it allows for essentially the model to generate further and better results. The method that they utilize is this EV5, this unifying multimodal embeddings. And essentially what you can see here, I like this graph and this chart that they're showing here. And then so you can see that generally speaking, there's a modality gap. And so when you train on text and then you train on images, they're separate and separated within the context of the LLM model and within the tokens that it generates. And then so if we can envision these charts that we're looking at, so this one on the left, envision that this is like a neural network, and this is inside of the neural network, right? And so there's the separation between the text and the image. Whereas with the EV5 method, the Microsoft method that they're introducing, it's blended, and you can see that it's a universe, like the tokens are interspersed within each other, and then so you'll see this met a lot when you're training on multimodality, where you'll train images and text, and then you'll ask for a text output, and it'll generate an image like out of nowhere, just because it's because of this modality gap, right? It's like a token will get mixed up somewhere or something along those lines. And then so this is a huge breakthrough with regards towards fixing this particular issue. It looks like, and then so with regards towards the models that they use the standard CLIP model, and then they use Llama, which is like a very famous model. This is based off of Llama Next 8B, is based off of Llama V2. Llama Next is based off of Llama V3, I believe. So it's Llama V3, and it's a multimodal Llama V3 model. It's called Lava. But so that's the models that they use. And then you can see that they base this off of this is the equation that they base this off of, this logarithmic equation, really straightforward. And then they embed this via prompt methods. So they do utilize prompt methods for training the models. So prompt response. They don't give the data and the actual training methods that they utilize within this paper. That's the one knock that I would give on the research paper. I wish that they did give us like something to be able to reproduce and recreate these results on with something. There's not a lot that they give as far as that. They do give actually some implementations that we can look at and then try to reproduce, but they don't give the full results that I'd be hoping for. And then it's more of just the graphs and then the benchmark testing. And then so it's literally just like this is all that they give as far as their method, right? So it's hard to reproduce based off of this, like two part, like a paragraph and then an image and text. But so overall, though, it's a great research paper. Like their method is amazing, right? Like it's like being able to train on text. It's the method, so it produces better results, and then it's far cheaper to train on this method, right? Because text is far smaller as far as a file format than images are. So being able to utilize this has output benefits in regards towards better output performance, and then also cheaper as far as the inference and the training side. So multiple benefits to this research, and this is a unique EV5 method, EVV method, E5V method that is definitely worth checking out, and put out again in partnership with Microsoft and Beihang University. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.